Guys, welcome. Let's learn how to use the two powerful functions in Excel, the SUM and the SUMIFS function. Now, imagine you have a bunch of sales data like the one on my screen. The SUM function is super simple to use. It simply adds up all the values in a range of cells. Let's look at a quick demo. So, I want you to navigate to any empty cell on your screen. But first, you should populate your sheet with some data. Navigate to any empty cell on your screen. I'm going to be using the G2 empty cell. So now we are going to type in the formula. I'll put in equal to, followed by the function name, which is sum, followed by open brackets, and I'm going to specify the column beginning and the column end. I'm going to, since we are looking at the total sales amount, is under the E column, so I will specify E2 to E9. So let me put E2 colon E9. After that, I will close my brackets and hit enter. And guys, as you can see, the total sales amount is $2,500. If you want to confirm, you can do the addition yourself. Add each sales amount right here, and you will arrive at $2,500. That's basically what the sum function does. Now, let's talk about the SUMIFS function. This is where things get interesting. The SUMIFS function lets you add up values based on specific criteria. Let's type out the formula. But before that, what we are going to do is that we want to find the total sales for electronics and furniture in the north and west regions. So let's type out the formula for that. So I will start with equal to, and I'm going to specify the SUMIFS function. SUMIFS bracket open. So now let's specify our inputs. We are going to start from E2 to E9. And the reason is because we are looking for the sales. Remember, we are looking for the total sales for electronics and furniture in the north region. So we are going to start with the sales amount. The sales amount, we're going to start with this column. We say E2 to E9. After we have done that, we are going to specify the criteria range 1, which is the electronics. Remember, electronics is under, just in case you don't know, electronics is under product category. So, and it's under the B column. So I'm going to specify B2 to B9. As you can see, this is highlighted. The B2 to B9 is highlighted. So now after we have done this, we are going to put in comma, then in quotes, we are going to tell our function, okay, you said you want to make use of this column. What exactly are you making use of inside the column? What criteria are you looking for? Since we are looking for the electronics and furniture, we are going to specify that inside. We are going to specify electronics inside this quote and type another quote and specify our furniture. Since we are looking for the total sales for electronics and furniture in the north and west region. But before typing out the quote, we are going to use this symbol right here. So our quote, our electronics and furniture will be inside. So now let's specify the electronics. Remember, double quote, then type in electronics. After that, we put in comma, type in another quote, and type in furniture. Now we are done with criteria 1. The next one, which is the next criteria, is C2 to C8. This is C2. C2 is a region. And remember, we are looking for the total sales for electronics and furniture in the north and west region. So we are going to specify the region here. And region is under C. So we say C2 to C9. So let's specify the C2 to C9. C2 to C9. After we have done that, we put in comma, then put in this symbol. Now, in quotes, we are going to specify the first region. Remember the north and west region. So let's specify the north here. The north, and the comma, the next quote will be the west. After you have done that, we are going to close our bracket. Now cross-check your function whether you are missing anything. E2 to E9 is the sales amount, E2 to E9. B2 to B9 is our product category, and we specify exactly what we want, the electronics and furniture. C2 to C9 is our region, which is north and west region. After you are done checking, I want you to hit enter. And guys, as you can see, the amount is $300. The sales amount for electronics and furniture, electronics in the north, look at electronic in the north and west region is $300. If you do the maths, you will know that $300 is the right amount. So guys, this is basically it for the sum and the SUMIFS function. If you have any question, please comment below, and also give a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Excel stuff like this. Thank you.